That was terrible.
Wait, I can't do it now.
You're doing really badly.
I can't. Hold on.
You're embarrassing yourself.
Why is it so delayed?
Is it?
Yep. That's gonna be harder now.
That looks better. Oh yeah, that was good. Yeah. Now I'm gonna try.
Look out. I don't know how to moonwalk up. Oh, I got it. I got it.
That looks really cool. No, don't do the arms. Just like.
Oh, okay. That's hard. Like, keep moving aside.
No, start with your butt first, not your chest.
That's hard. Wait, it's plugged in. Why is it saying? Wait, what is that back there?
Checking for new software. Why? Did you say? Did you click something? Huh? What in the world? Not now. Not now.